proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. So, this is a bench vise. Now let's unbox this one. According here, it's 360 degrees rotation. This I want to see. Ooh, it's beautiful. Look at this. Now I can't wait to try this. We'll put this on a table and I will show you how it's done. And I will show you how it functions and used. Now, this is the edge of the table. Now I'm gonna put the bench vise right here. So we have turned the knob to make it tighter, so that we know that the bench vise is already settled at the table. Now it is 360 degrees, so it is moved anywhere that you need. So I need it to be placed right here. So I will lock this one. There. I have locked this one, then I will be opening the mouth and I'll be placing the wood right in the middle. It depends on what you're gonna be using for this. So it could be pipe or metal or anything else. So there. If I have my wood marked right here, I would be cutting it right here. So that's how you use the bench vise. So guys, that's how you use the bench vise. I hope that you have learned something from me and you enjoyed the video, and I really do love this. It has a bit of weight. So anyways, I hope you look forward on our next video. Thank you so much, you guys. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.